Hey guys, I wanted to share with you something that sometimes annoys me when I am presenting my Google Slides to either colleagues or when I'm putting it on the web to share with parents or friends or whatever I'm doing with it. And that is that black bar at the bottom of your screen when you hit present in that Google slide and it's there and then you move away and your cursor goes away and it goes away and you're like, yes, I can present my awesome slides, but then you move your cursor again and it's back and it's in your way. So what I want to do is show you two ways to move this or get rid of it completely so that way it's not annoying you while you're trying to present or share your items. So first way to get rid of this black bar is to just, instead of having it floating down here, is to move it down at the bottom of your screen. So what you're going to do to move it down at the bottom of your screen is exit out of full screen, so hit this little button, or you can hit right here if you see it says Control-Shift-F. I just hit the button, it's easier. And I'm going to go up here to my little cursor bar up here. Probably saying the wrong thing, but I'm going to go all the way to the end. I'm going to use my little arrow and go all the way to the very end of this line. And if you notice, the very end of my line has a bunch of numbers, some letters, and then it says edit, hashtag, or pound slide. Okay? I'm going to highlight it up to that edit, and instead of having edit there, I'm going to click in preview. Oops. I can't spell preview apparently. And enter. And now what that does is instead of having my black bar annoyingly in the middle of my screen, it's down here at the bottom. So it's still there. I can still use all the tools that I had, except for exiting back to my editing slide. I have to go to back to that. I have it down here. I can go to whatever slide I want. I can use the options, whatever I want. And this is great. But I did say I'd show you two ways to get rid of this black bar. So this is how to move it just down to the bottom. If you want to just get completely rid of this, you don't want the black bar at the bottom, you don't want the black bar ghosting you up here, I guess is the best word I can use to say it. You're going to exit full screen again. And you're going to go back up here to the URL. And you're going to go to the end again using that right arrow key on your keyboard. And if you notice now at the end of my thing, it says all those numbers again, slide, but it says preview instead of edit. Now you can go directly to what I'm about to show you from the edit like we did last time, but I'm just going to show you from where I'm at how to do it. So if you're doing it from the previous thing where it says edit, you're just going to highlight like we did. But instead of putting just preview, you're going to enter in preview, question mark, RM, RM =, minimal. That word minimal. Okay? And then hit enter. Now, if you notice, there is no black bar down here at the bottom at all. Okay? So that means if I want to go to full screen, and it will share it with everybody and it'll be full screen like I'm presenting it to a big room, I have to know that keyboard shortcut of Control-Shift-F to make it full screen. Okay? Control-Shift-S, full screen. If I don't care that it's not full screen, I can just share this link with whoever I'm sharing it with. And it won't have that black bar at the bottom. They have to just click through and use my little buttons that I've added. Okay? So I hope this helps. I hope it is something that you can use in your classroom or your presentations, whatever you're doing. And I hope you have a great day.